I'm going to make some lemon raspberry crumble muffins.
I have my whole oats, brown sugar, flour, let's go ahead and do a little bit of lemon zest. It's looking good.
Okay, we're done with our crumble mixture now. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the muffins.
We have our flour already dumped in the pan. We're going to add our sugar, teaspoons of baking powder, add that to the dry mixture. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. To break the egg yolk, lemon flavoring,
Okay, it's time for us to add our crumble topping, the best part of the muffins. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the oven. It's preheated at 400 degrees. We're going to cook for about 20 minutes in there, and then we'll take them out and see what they look like. While I got them in the oven right now, I got a few minutes. So we've added lemon flavoring and blueberries. We've added raspberries now. What other kind of things do you like to see in your muffins? Put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I think they're ready to come out. So beautiful. Okay, we have our muffins out of the oven, as you can see right back there.
This is for me. This you can do.
Thank you for watching. Jesus loves you. Hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this.